You've explained that really well. As an extension to that, I think what can happen, correct me if I'm wrong here, but because there are so many tools out there, because there's a large expanse out there, it can be quite confusing and, even more importantly, overwhelming.
Oh, definitely. Look, the market is busy with solutions, and there's a lot of them that are not really made for the mechanical workshop, but kind of do fit. You know, a chucks cloth is not made for a mechanical workshop, but it'll clean a bench top. But is it going to clean a bench top full of acid? Maybe not. So it's just basically finding what works for you, and there's ways to find that out, and your network's really important part of that.
Yeah, you made that point earlier, and I think it's a really good point, and that is there's nothing better than talking to someone, and perhaps it's a mentor, or perhaps it's just someone that you know, it's a relationship you built, and asking them. I mean, it seems simplistic, but a lot of people don't think that far ahead, and they tend to do these sorts of things and investigate without any help.
One of the things I love about our industry is that people are willing to share their secrets. You know, tuners are willing to share how they got the more horsepower. The drag racing guys are sharing amongst themselves, probably a little bit more reserved, I'd say, how they're shaving those milliseconds off. It's the same in the mechanical workshops. Talk to your mates down the road and say, hey, I've got a problem. How did you fix it? You'll probably find out there's a solution sitting right there.
So we've spoken about digital solutions in a general sense. Kev, can you be more specific? What one feature is important that a mechanic looks for when they're thinking about getting a digital solution?